Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today, I'm going to give you a very simple technique to speak fluent English. Yes, you heard it right. I've given you many such techniques, but this is very special. I'm going to tell you how you can speak anywhere, anytime, with anyone, with confidence, clarity, and fluency. We all get nervous while speaking in English. We all start rumbling. We all start stumbling while speaking in English. When we are asked a random question or random thing, we just tend to get nervous and we forget everything and we start rambling. Okay, we don't know what to say. We utter something or the other and we just want to get out of it, right? But today I'm going to tell you one simple method which will help you to articulate your answer, be very clear, be very precise, and be confident in speaking in English about that, whatever you have been asked. Okay, this rule is called 1, 2, 3 rule, which I'm going to discuss in this session. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach or English communications trainer, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you can quickly subscribe my channel. You can like and share my videos as much as you can. You can write your comments in the comment section, whatever you feel like. And hit the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. You have to check my playlist to learn more about my channel and my sessions. So stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire content to master this skill. Now, let's get back to the topic. So here I'm going to talk about 1, 2, 3 method of speaking in English anywhere, anytime, with anyone, confidently, clearly, and fluently. And it does magic, guys. Trust me on this. I'm going to share this with you today. So, what is this 1, 2, 3 method? In many situations, what happens is when we are having a conversation with people in English, when something is asked to us, we feel lost. We don't get words. We forget everything. We don't know what to say, right? A lot of thoughts start coming to our mind and we want to speak everything, right? We don't want to miss out on anything. Like, for example, if somebody has asked me, what do you do? And then I start thinking, how do I answer this question? It is a question which needs a lot of details. And I start thinking about, okay, I work as an HR. Okay, I work in an IT company. Okay, I work in training and development. I provide training to people. And what is this training about? It's basically about communications. So the lots of thoughts which start going on in my mind, and I'm just trapped in that. Right, and I'm not able to speak properly. I don't know where to start, how to end, what to say. Right, so everything starts coming to our mind and we feel lost. We think, what should we say first? Whether I should say I'm an HR, or should I say I'm into training and development in HR, or should I say I am a trainer or a communications coach in an IT company and I'm part of an HR team, right? I just want to give as many information as I can and I'm confused what to say first, right? And in this way, we lose our focus. And the other person listening to us also lose their focus, right? They are not very much attentive and they are not attracted to what we are saying because we just speak randomly, right? We don't think much. We don't plan anything in our heads. Whatever is going in our head, whatever is going in our minds, we just speak up at that point of time because we are nervous. We feel intimidated, right? Like we have to answer this question or I have to answer this question in English. And that is why we just mess up everything. So, in order to control our mind, control our thought process, in order to articulate our answer, be apt, or organize our answer or give our best answer, we should follow this 1, 2, 3 rule, which is definitely going to help us in organizing our answer and presenting the best possible answer to any question anybody has asked us in any situation. Trust me on this. But it needs practice. So whenever you get a topic or whenever you're talking about something, start practicing this method of speaking or answering, right? So basically a conversation is what? People ask question, we answer, we ask question, the other person answers. This is how a conversation grows, and this is what a conversation is like or is about. So that is why we need to prepare our answers very well so that the other person also understands our idea. They feel engaged and interested in knowing what we are saying, and they kind of try to understand our thought process and personality, right? And start feeling that we are definitely good in speaking. Okay, or they understand that we are fluent or we are confident in speaking in English. So that is very important. So these 4 things are very important. So that is why I've come up with 1, 2, 3 rule. Now here 1, 2, 3, what does it mean? So I'll put things like this. First is thing, second is types, and third is steps. 1 thing, 2 types, 3 steps. Now we have to remember this formula, and considering this formula, remembering this formula, we are going to speak on certain topics or certain questions. Okay, example number 1. If somebody has asked me a question, what do you do? For example, let's take this question. What do you do? Now, number 1 is thing, which means one thing I have to pick up. So I have to either pick up HR or training and development or communications coach, whatever. So I'll take one thing. I am a communications trainer or coach, right? 2 types. I am into training and development as a communications coach or communications trainer or English coach in an IT company. I work in the HR department. 2 types. First, what I said is I'm into training development and I'm a communications coach or English trainer or English coach in an IT company, right? First type. Second, what I said is I work in the HR department. So 2 types. 3 steps. What should I say? I will further add more details to this. 3 steps is first is I train people in improving their communications. I help them with a lot of activities, exercises and techniques to attain fluency, to gain fluency and confidence. I also coach them to be successful in life, right? So these are the 3 steps what I do basically. So I've just, broken down my job into 3 steps what I do. First is I train them on their communications to improve their communications. Second, I come up with a lot of exercises, techniques and sessions which will help them to improve their communication, improve their fluency and confidence. And the third one was I help them to become successful in life or their career. Okay, so it is very simple. Now, let's come to another example. Example number 2 to make it more clear. Let's take a very simple question. What is your favorite food or what is your favorite cuisine? Anything, right? So how should we answer this question in respect to 1, 2, 3 formula? Now, what is your favorite food or what is your favorite cuisine? There are lots of food, there are lots of cuisine. So let's pick up one thing. So I'll pick up Italian. Okay, I love Italian food. So I picked up I love Italian food or Italian cuisine. 2 things, I love pizza and pasta. I love pizza and pasta. 2 types I've chosen. Third, 3 steps. Now, what we should say here. To eat pizza and pasta, I generally go to an Italian restaurant. Then I pick up my favorite pasta and pizza from the menu and order it. Once the order arrives, I can't wait to eat. Right? So these are the 3 steps what you do, right? You love Italian food. Okay, what in Italian? You love pizza and pasta. What are the 3 steps? What do you follow? You go to an Italian restaurant to eat pizza and pasta. Second is you look at the menu and you order your favorite pizza and pasta. And as they come, you start eating that because you can't resist. You can't stop yourself at that point of time. Right? So this is how we can describe anything in a much better and articulate and correct way without stopping or without fumbling or without rambling. Okay, so this is a very important technique or a very important step in which you can organize your thoughts in your mind, in your brain, and then you can actually come up with your answer. Now, this is not difficult at all, guys, but you have to be in practice. You have to start practicing every single question, every single thing in this way. Once you start practicing, keeping in mind these 3 steps, it will be much easier for you to speak on any topic, anywhere with anyone. Whenever somebody asks a question, just start thinking, one thing, what should I say? I should pick one thing and I should say that. Then 2 types, right? And then 3 steps. Come on, let's take another example. Example number 3. What is your favorite holiday destination or what is your favorite holiday spot or vacation spot? Right? We generally come across this question. People do ask, where do you want to holiday, or what is your favorite holiday spot, or where do you want to go on a holiday, your dream holiday, your dream vacation. So these kind of questions comes to us. Now let's answer this question. What is your favorite holiday destination? Now, one thing. I love spending time at my hometown, or I love visiting my hometown during holidays. One thing I've picked up, 2 types. There I get to spend time with my parents and I get a break from my usual routine as well. So 2 types what? Basically, I get to meet my parents also there and I get to spend some time and it's a break from my daily usual routine. So I get refreshed or rejuvenated going there. So these are the 2 types what I feel holiday helps me with, or going to my hometown helps me with. Okay, third is 3 steps. Now what do you do? How do you do it? I plan for a holiday beforehand. I pick a date and book the tickets. A day before I pack my bags and I leave for the airport next day. Right? What are the 3 steps which we do? First is I plan the holiday beforehand. I pick up a date and book my tickets. A day before I do my packing and the next day we leave for the airport on time. Okay, so these are the 3 steps which I follow. So in any case, any situation, any question, any topic, you have to just think in this way how you can describe. Right? This is a more articulate way of thinking. Okay, this will help you to organize your thoughts and put up your best answer. Start following this rule and you will see a lot of difference in your speech, in your communication, in your conversation and in your English speaking skills. This will help you to gain confidence and fluency as well because you will be confident from within in answering questions. So start practicing on your own in this way and then start interacting with people with keeping these 3 steps in mind and you will see a lot of difference. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.